Okay, okay. So,
Hi,
hello,
sir.
how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. What about you?
Okay, I'm also good. And what about your job and your life? What's going on?
Yeah, my job was very fantastic, and my life is also good nowadays. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
you know about me. In the past, I suffered a lot regarding my
Mm-hmm.
job, but nowadays I'm
Okay,
doing job. I'm very happy with that.
okay. So, today
Yeah,
is your holiday? Sunday is here
yeah,
or
Sunday is
job?
my holiday. That's why I'm trying to talk with you
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay, no issue. So, like,
because I want to practice with you many times, but you are busy. Sunday is you are free. That's why I'm talking with you.
yes, yes. So many of people have the same complaint. You are so busy. Yes, I was busy for a little bit, some personal issue. That's why. But only the Sunday, it's my holiday. So like a 9 to 10, like a 9 to 10, not a 6 to 8. I prefer to talk with people if anybody want to talk with me. So before that, I told you I just finished one conversation for one person. Yes. So now I will be free to talk with you. So tell me something more about you. What's going on? Your practice, English practice, and what kind of things are you're doing?
Yeah, nowadays I'm not doing more practice. I'm doing little bit practice because due to lack of time. Uh, in the daytime,
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing that time when I was in my room. Evening time, when I was in evening time, that time I'm little bit tired. That time it is not possible to make conversation with someone. Yeah, that's
Mm-hmm.
why I'm having some problems. That's why I'm not doing more practice. Yeah, just I'm doing practice in Sundays. Uh,
Okay.
holidays only.
Okay, okay, no issue. You have
Mm.
to, you are practice it, that's enough for these things. Okay. So, how like I think Diwali festival is finished. So, how you celebrate your Diwali festival?
Yeah, I'm not celebrated festival very well because that day we have some work. Because
Okay,
due to rains, we want to remove our cotton. Today, that day we
okay.
are removing cotton. That's why maybe in the night time we are not celebrated that festival.
Oh,
Mm.
okay. So, it's a, I think we are talking like a for video for the first time. So, please introduce something about yourself so my viewer can we know about you a little bit.
Okay, my name is Kashnath. I'm from Telangana. Uh, I just completed graduation, and nowadays I'm doing
Hmm.
private job in Akshay Patra.
Okay.
Do you know Akshay Patra?
And no,
You don't know Akshay
where it
Patra?
is?
Yeah, it
No.
is
What is
an
this?
organization. We are providing food for government students who are studying in government schools. We are for providing food for that students on vehicles. We are providing food time to time, exactly time, and we are providing
Okay.
unlimited.
Okay.
Mm.
Yeah, it's very good. Like you are providing like a free service, like a free food or some kind of like a, is your job.
Yeah, I'm doing just job in that company, but my company
Okay,
provides.
okay.
Uh,
So Akshay Patra is your company name?
yeah, it is one kind company name.
Okay, okay. Actually, I
Mm.
don't heard this name. First time I heard the name for your side. So okay, so that companies provide a food for the school children.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe you
Okay.
heard that 5 rupees food. Do you hear about that? 5 rupees food, 5 rupees food.
Mm, no, but in like in Mumbai, I think there is not that kind of food service. Like
Mm.
some government school, like in government school, provided a lunch or the like a breakfast for only the government school. That service is provided, but not in private type of school. So I didn't know anything about the much idea about that things.
Yeah, we are providing government schools to students only. We are not providing private schools students.
Yes, yes. So I'm in the private school that time, so there is not any kind of service we had received that time. Okay,
Okay,
so tell me
okay.
something more about like how like which class you are providing like that service.
Yeah, it's we are providing first class to 10th class students only, and it
Okay.
is yeah. I'm working in that company as a journal supervisor. My work in that company, I want to bring good feedback, and if any problems on my route, I want to clear that problem like that. It is my role in that company.
Okay, so I can say you are doing some kind of supervisor kind of thing or
Yeah, yeah.
the.
Well, I'm journal supervisor in that company.
Oh wow, that's very great. And you have a like a very heavy responsibility. You have to look after all that thing. It will be going or not. So how you manage like that things?
Yeah, yeah. It is a heavy responsibility. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
uh, uh, but hello,
Yes, yes, I can hear you properly.
someone trying to call me, calling me. That's why
Oh, okay,
will be
okay.
disturbed.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
just tell me how you like do that kind of job.
yeah. Because we are my role is in that company. I said I want to send vehicle time to time, and if
Mm-hmm.
any problem I want to manage, if any problem I want to clear, and monthly we want to do billings like we want to submit bill on office mandal office like that. It is my role.
Mm-hmm.
I recently joined in that company. Before you, I know you know about me. I'm jobless, but finally I got that job. Nowadays I'm happy with that job. Maybe in future
Mm-hmm.
I will prove myself because I want to be in a good position. It is my ambition. But at least I'm
Yeah,
doing that job.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Because you are start. See, any kind of thing we start that things, so it automatically going up. We don't think about how, when, and where it going on or not. So we just start. We do our hard work and ultimately we will get a success, so don't think about all that. You are starting and you are happy now doing whatever you are doing, so it's matter. Okay, just do your hard work and definitely you will be get whatever you want, I think. I will
yeah,
be think so.
I'm also thinking. I'm praying God. God, please
Hmm.
provide full energy and full strength. I want to do 100% justice for my job like that because
Hmm.
what we are doing, we want to do 100% justice for that job. I'm thinking always that.
Yes. Yes,
Yeah,
yes. That thinking is a very good thinking. Always be justify your job, whatever, any kind of. I'm not believe like a small job or the big job. You
yeah,
have to put your 100%, and then after that, whatever it happen is happen. So yeah, and you are doing the same thing, so it's very good. So after that, like you are improving your English also. So maybe in future you will be get like better than this job, like it's your, I think, dreams also you want to do that kind of job.
yeah. Yeah, first of all, we want to improve ourselves. Then after, we can expect anything. That's why I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I'm focusing on that process.
Yes, yes. So like how many I can ask you, like I think we are talking before the 1 month before, then after 1 month and now, like how you are like a feel now, you are improving yourself and like what.
Yeah, I'm always feeling with you very comfort because
Mm-hmm.
for when we have conversation that time I have a little bit shy feeling, but nowadays I'm very comfort with you because that
Okay.
day we have a good conversation. You said don't feel shy with me. We can like a friends like you said,
Mm-hmm.
and you it a little bit. I'm very happy with that. Nowadays, right now, I'm talking with you, any without afraidness and without shyness. You are observing that.
Yes, yes. Before our first conversation, that conversation is not be fully recorded properly. So yeah, now I was watching you now. At present, you are fully confident to talking with me, and without afraid. Before that, you are very afraid. So it's a good improvement in your body language and in your voice also. So
Yeah,
yeah, I think if you are doing a everyday communication now, so your communication skill is automatically improved. So that's I think reason you are improving.
yeah. Yeah, but nowadays I'm neglecting my uh, practice due to lack of
Mm-hmm.
time. That is the main
Mm-hmm.
problem. But I want to create enough time for this because it
Yes,
is
yes.
in our future.
Yes, yes. Yeah, as I told you, you should download that app, S Fluency app. Do you download it?
No, till now I didn't download it, but I want to download.
Yeah. See, this app is very useful because I'm not talking every like a person we are talking. So this app is very good for whenever we get a free time, we just call that randomly talk, call any person and we just talk because other side people are also wanted the same thing. They just want to improve their communication skills. So both the person's requirement is same, so that's why I'm telling you, if you are not you're telling I'm not getting a free time. So I told you it's a 24, not a 24, but morning 9 to night 1 a.m. you can talk anybody. So whenever I think this time you will be get a 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Okay. Definitely, I am going to download that application because I forgot
Yes,
what
yes, yes.
to download like that. But today you are remembered. I definitely am going to download after this conversation, and maybe
Mhm.
on we'll try to practice
Yeah, it
with.
will be help you a lot because see what happened now, you are telling me I'm not doing a conversation more and more. I can understand because you are busy in your job and like a household work, most of the thing is happen. But whenever we have like a free time, we just freely sit at one place, not any kind of actually 10 minutes we have, we can get easily in our whole day. So that time you can utilize this way, so that your practice it's not missed and you are doing a communication also every day. So that thing is important for you if you are like a improving yourself. Because if I was not talking any day now, so I was feeling like not good, something is missing in my life. So that's why I'm telling you.
Okay. How is your YouTube channel?
Nowadays I'm not focusing more. One week
Hi.
or the 2 weeks I just uploaded one or two video. That's it because as nowadays actually I'm very busy, so that's the reason. But now I just started to upload video in 1 week at least 2 or 3 because my exam is going on also that time, and just some household work also, that's why. So that reason. But now I just started again the same thing.
Okay. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm uploading some videos only, not more videos.
Mm-hmm. You're not
Nowadays,
sharing your YouTube channel with me. I told you that time also.
oh, maybe I posted in your inbox, but you didn't check that.
No, no, I didn't receive any link of your video.
Really?
Where you posted in YouTube comment box or in that our Skype message chat?
Maybe in Skype message chat.
Maybe I think I was not seen. That's why I'm asking again. If I seen that, nah, I never asked you.
It definitely
Okay.
it is. We'll post after
Mm-hmm.
this conversation.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can ask anything if you want to. Awesome.
Yeah. Tell me, how is going everything after long
Everything
time?
is going after a long time, not a long time. I guess 1 month before we are talking, and now I'm just doing, as you know, that I'm doing a job. So job to house, house to job. That the two thing is going on. Nothing, anything special. There is going. But
Really?
I can say in Mumbai, we are not face a lot of problem related to the corona. So there is a very control situation about the corona. And what about your state?
Yeah, my state is also we are not listening more cases in my state, and we are listening in another countries day by day. COVID-19 cases increasing like that. We are listening more.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Situation.
here is all the thing is open also. Most of the thing is open, I can say. I think schools also open now. Like a 9 to 10th standard children can go.
Yeah, in my side is also everything open. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
everything is running on offline classes. That's why we are
Mm-hmm.
providing. Without offline class, we can't provide.
Yeah, so it's like a good thing for your like organizations.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So what about your like in climate? Here is raining Mumbai.
Yeah, but in my side, it is weather is very cloudy, but we have a little bit rains, like a 5 minutes short,
Mm-hmm.
not big rain, let small rain, rain like that, 5 to 10
Okay.
minutes like that. But we don't have good rains.
Mm-hmm. But in
Mm.
our north side, like I can say the UP side, it's very cold. Like we have, like people can wear a 2 or 3 like a sweater, jacket, some kind of clothes. But like in Mumbai, people can't wear because there is a all-time hot, and now it's raining. Like a climate is change automatically, so we can't understand it's hot, cool, or so. Like I can say what's the season is going on. Like a raining season, hot, summer season, and winter. Three season is going on.
Do you know? We can't expect here today. In my side, we don't have any rain, but if you take Andhra Pradesh, there is enough rains, good rains. And
Mhm.
do you know Tirupati?
Yes, I know Tirupati.
Yeah, in
Tirupati
Tirupati,
Balaji.
yeah, Tirupati Balaji. There is rainfall is very heavy rain and fall in rain on
Okay.
canals. We can observe
Okay.
flow,
Oh,
much
okay.
rain.
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah, but one side is climate is different and another side is climate different. Like you take today in my village we have little bit rain, but you take another village they don't have any rains. Like that we can't underestimate estimate rain the weather.
Yes. We can't estimate it. Like some places, like people are saying no, here is not raining, and we are saying no, here is raining. So we are like laughing, like what happened, like God, like what kind of climate? Like some people not getting rain, and we are like enjoying the rain. So it's really good, very funny sometimes, and very good. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we are successfully completed 18 minutes.
Yes. Okay, so what's now we can end our conversation. I think it's more than 20 minutes, so it will be very long video.
Yeah. It will be very long video.
Okay, so we can end and we can talk next Sunday if you're free with any topic.
Okay. Definitely. We can talk about any topic. I'm ready to talk with you.
Okay. Now you're
Thank you.
feeling like a friendly and a happy, so we can comfortably talk because before you are very much fear and afraid that time.
Because you are a unknown person that time, but you are no right now you are known person because we have before one conversation. Today we are making one more conversation. Maybe we have a little bit close feeling like a friend.
Yes, yes, yes.
That,
Okay, okay. Okay, so we can end this call and we can talk 1 week after next Sunday.
okay, definitely. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.